There's an old photography saying that says that the best camera is the one that you've got with you. This implies not so much about the camera itself, but the fact that you're carrying it with you. This is why phone cameras are so popular. And it's much easier to carry this, certainly, than it is to carry something like this everywhere you go. And it's much easier to use your phone to take photos than it is, say, something like this beautiful old camera, which is what I took my first roll of film on. Making a habit of carrying your camera and also learning how to use it are the two key things you need to do when you're transitioning from using your phone to take photos to using a camera. Taking photos with your phone is designed to be easy, and it's getting easier all the time, and the quality is also getting better. But if you want to transition to taking more than snapshots with your phone and becoming a photographer, it takes some commitment and some dedication to learn how to do it well. And being a photographer is not that easy when you want to do it well. Good photography goes far beyond the snapshot and can go all the way up to fine art prints that sell for millions of dollars. But carrying a camera with you everywhere you go is a bit pointless if you're just going to use it the same way that you do use your phone to take photos. You need to learn to get the most out of it to see the best results. And this is why I love teaching photography.